Are you looking to add and manage tasks effectively in Monday.com? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add and organize tasks in Monday.com, and I'll also highlight a few key features that could help you optimize your workflow. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a competitor that might better suit your needs. Let's start by adding tasks. To do this, head over to your board and click the plus add button at the top. From there, you'll see options to create a new item. This is where you can name your task, assign it to team members, and set the deadlines. It's straightforward, but to keep things organized, make sure you're assigning tasks based on priority. You can also add labels to categorize tasks easily, like urgent or in progress, helping you stay on top of your to-do list. Next, let's talk about managing tasks in Monday.com. Once you've created your task, you can track its progress by updating the status column. You can create custom status labels, such as not started, in progress, or completed. The flexibility here is one of Monday.com's strengths, allowing you to adapt the platform to your specific needs. However, it's important to note that the interface can be overwhelming for new users due to the many customization options, which may require some time to get used to. The third thing to consider is the integration with other tools. Monday.com allows you to connect with popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. This means you can keep everything in one place without constantly switching between apps. But while these integrations are useful, I've noticed that the setup can be a bit tedious, especially when syncing multiple accounts. So make sure you allocate some time for this. Now, the fourth thing to note is automations. Monday.com allows you to set up automations like sending reminders or updating task statuses when certain conditions are met. It's a great feature, but again, it's a bit tricky for beginners. Some users might find the automation setup process a little daunting at first. Next, let's quickly discuss the mobile app. It's pretty solid for keeping track of your tasks on the go. However, while it's useful, the mobile interface doesn't offer the full flexibility of the desktop version. You might miss out on some advanced customization features, so it's best to use it for simple task management when you're away from your computer. And now, the big question, is Monday.com the best solution for you? While it's a powerful platform, I've found it can be overwhelming for small teams or those just starting to use project management software. Plus, if you're looking for something with a bit more simplicity or a lower learning curve, Monday.com might not be the right fit. Here's where the competitor comes in. If you're after something that focuses more on task simplicity and ease of use without sacrificing power, I highly recommend checking out Competitor Name. With a more intuitive interface and quicker setup, Competitor Name might be a better fit for your goals. The best part? You can try it risk-free with an exclusive free trial that's only available through the link in the description. So, while Monday.com has some great features for task management, Competitor Name might just be the more effective tool for streamlining your workflow. Both have free trials, so you can try them out and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your task management.